Hey creators and crafters, ever heard of a heat press that does it all? Meet the 16-in-1 heat press machine from MaxLaser. So this heat press is a real MVP of heat pressing. In this video, we're diving into what's in the box and what makes this machine feel like the Rolls-Royce of heat presses. Now, when we say 16-in-1, we mean it. Here's what you get. You get the flat t-shirt press, which also is a drawer system for all your t-shirts, hoodies, and bags. You also have the 5 different size cap presses for all the different size elements, and pressing with caps have never been easier. You also have the 2 different size plate presses for all those ceramic plates. And then we have your mug presses. We have 8 different sizes for all the standard mugs and water bottles. Also, a pair of gloves, which is great. So when you're handling all these products, you don't burn your fingers. It's not just about quantity. The 16-in-1 heat press is also designed for quality and ease. Let's talk about the luxury features. The 400 by 400 table that pulls out towards you is such an amazing feature, which also helps keep your hands safe and makes positioning a breeze. The solid build quality is durable, sturdy, and built to last for continuous use on end. The presets of the digital temperature and time control is a game changer. You can set it and forget it. It's precise, consistent results every time with the magnetic auto open function. It has even heat distribution, no cold spots or uneven prints. Quick heating elements, ready to press in minutes. P.S. You do need to get a non-stick Teflon coated sheet to help prevent your designs from sticking to the heat press. This machine doesn't just look good, it works smart too. Whether you're running a growing print business or just want to customize gifts for family and friends, the 16-in-1 heat press gives you professional results without the pro-level complexity. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll show you how to use a mug press on the 16-in-1. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos of the MaxLaser machines. See you on the next one.